What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and today I've got a very special video for you. I'm going to show you how to go out there and land clients today that are going to pay you $3,500. There's people out there who are already making thousands of dollars by implementing what I'm going to share with you in this video. And the crazy part about it is I'm going to show you how to automate it all using Slack. As you know, Slack is like a free thing that you can use. It's a resource, and when you apply automation to it, you can actually automate this kind of income if you know how to do it. So I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm going to share with you in this video because it's cutting edge and you're going to be able to implement it immediately today. Be sure to do me a favor right now though and comment yes on this video if you want me to bring you more tutorials like this one and if this stuff is actually helpful for you. Okay, if you're interested in automation, you're interested in automating your income, landing more clients, and doing stuff like this, comment yes on this video right now for me. Okay, so here's what we're actually going to be doing. When I first got started doing local marketing, I'm talking things like building websites for business owners, doing things like SEO, social media management. The hardest part about it was that I was always spreading myself too thin, right? There's only one of me, but there's a lot of clients that I want to work with. Not anymore, because now you can implement the power of Slack to do something very, very cool. What you can do with what I'm going to share with you is you can go out there today, you can go on a site like Fiverr or like Upwork.com and you can hire a virtual assistant for as little as $3.75 an hour, okay, to do all of the work for you. That means that is completely hands off. And I'm going to show you how you can do this, how you can get started with zero experience. Okay, you don't have to have over 12 years of experience doing this full time like I have, because I'm going to give you the resources that you need to get started as a beginner today. Doesn't mean that's going to not take work to set up. It will take some work to set up, but once it's set up, you're going to be able to use the power of Slack and of automation that I'm going to share with you in this video to go out there and land your own clients that are worth $3,500 and clients that will even pay you monthly. We have clients that pay $1,000 a month. We have students who are landing clients that are paying them $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month. So you can do this stuff too, even if you're starting from scratch, as long as you're willing to put in the work and the action to actually do it. Okay, so what we're going to be utilizing is something called an SOP. What that stands for is it stands for Standard Operating Procedures. And I know it sounds boring, but when you do this with Slack, with automation, and you hire a virtual assistant for as little as $3.75 per hour, you can actually have a hands-off automated income. That means that someone who you're paying is essentially running the operations for you. And you don't have to worry about them doing something wrong because you're going to be able to have Slack training them for you automatically. So check this out. What we're going to do is you're going to set up a new channel in Slack. You can do this by creating a Slack account for free. Just go to slack.com, create a free account. And at the bottom where it says add channels, you click add channel, create a new channel, and you just name it something. You can name it the name of your agency or whatever it is you want to do. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to add in some simple programming into it, which has automations. Let me show you what this looks like. In Slackbot, you're going to enter in a keyword. So this is going to be like a keyword that someone types into any of your channels. So in this example, I put the keyword research. I then programmed in a response. So essentially, this is how it works. I hire someone from Upwork or Fiverr for $3.75 an hour. Okay. We then go and land a client, and that client needs keyword research done for them. Okay. Our person on Upwork doesn't know how to do that. So what happens? Well, they come into our Slack channel and they say, how do you do keyword research? They enter it in. Slack is going to come back with an SOP for this, with a video tutorial that shows them exactly how to do keyword research. So now we've essentially automated and outsourced this entire thing, and we've trained our virtual assistant how to do it. So now we've got a client who maybe is paying us $3,500, and now we have someone who's trained to do keyword research. Now you may be thinking to yourself, how do you come up with all the keywords to type in here? This sounds like a lot of work to actually go and enter all this stuff in here. And how do you do it the right way so that you can actually have your agency run hands off, even if you don't know what you're doing and if you're a complete beginner? Well, what I'm actually doing is I'm putting together a live workshop. and I'm going to hold this workshop and I'm going to train you exactly how to set all this up. Basically, we're going to work together live and we're going to set all of this up together on a live workshop. And the best part is I'm going to give you my done for you keywords to enter in. Remember I showed you that you program in your own keywords and responses? I've already got that all done because we're already doing it in my agency, and I'd be happy to just let you have it if you join in on this live workshop. And then we'll go together and we'll add them all into your own Slack account, and you'll be off on your way, landing your own $3,500 clients, and then having it run hands off in Slack, just like I'm doing. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. All of my done for you responses, I've got them blurred out, but you can see there is a lot here. And I'm going to show you how to go and add them all into your own Slack account. All the work is done for you. You literally just show up to the live class with me, and we work on it. We add them into your own Slack account, and I show you everything you need to know so that you can get started as a beginner, landing your very own clients. You don't need to know how to do the fulfillment because my done for you SOP is going to train your virtual assistant for you. And if you want to do the work yourself, you could. You could basically train yourself to do it if you want. But why do that? Just hire someone for $3.75 an hour to do everything for you. Use Slack automation to train them for you and have yourself, this hands-off agency. This is really powerful, something that we've implemented that's been really helpful. And I wanted to share it with you so that you can implement it in your agency as well. So I'm running a special price today only at localautomationclass.com. Go there. It will redirect you to my checkout page. I didn't put together a fancy sales page for this or anything like that because this is information I wanted to get out to you immediately. I don't want to waste any time with anything unnecessary. So go to localautomationclass.com. It'll redirect you to my checkout page. Go ahead and sign up for the class. So get in right now. I don't want you to miss out on this. It's a very special opportunity. And I can't wait to get this going for you so that you can go out there and land your own $3,500 client and we can get you started with this. It's going to be awesome. I'll see you inside. Again, localautomationclass.com. Paul James here signing off. We'll see you inside. Peace out.